doing, guys? Dragonman here. Good morning. 7:30 in the morning, getting ready to head to Ihop, get some of those buttermilk pancakes. Okay, so anyway, I always carry a couple of guns in my saddlebags here, and this is my house if you didn't know it. And let's see, I got a few things to talk about. Okay, a lot of you guys have been waiting for these olive drab tank tops, and I just got in about 300 of them. So if you want to order these, we got them all the way from small to 4X. See that? Machine gun dealer, class 7. Okay, so we got those. If you want any, order them online, dragonmans.com, or call my daughter Melissa, and she'll take your credit card number, your address, and send them out. Okay, so I got a few guns here I'm going to test out here. There's my target over there. Okay, here's one of my cut-down dragon fires. 5.56 223. Yeah, I got like 25 bullets in each magazine. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to cock it. Here like that. Open up the stock. Take it off safety. And there's my target over there. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, that's more fun. Okay, let me make sure it's unloaded. Okay. Never leave the house without an extra magazine. Well, that works great. Semi and fully automatic. Okay, we're going to put that in there. And don't forget about my machine gun shoot, September 7th and 8th. It's going to be the biggest one ever. The whole place here will be dedicated to a gun enthusiast. Okay, this saddlebag here, yeah, check this out. Yeah, the TP 9mm, brand new, folding stock, 9mm, and it's got a suppressor on it. That's a silencer. So let's cock this, and we'll give it a shot. Pretty neat, huh? It cuts the noise down like at least 75%. Okay, so we're going to take that magazine out. Make sure it's unloaded. Okay, put the new magazine in. And we'll fold the stock. And we're almost ready to go to Ihop. I'm getting hungry. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yeah, let me put this away. Okay guys, check this out. Sawed-off shotgun. It actually shoots 3 shots. Slugs, 00 buck, everything. You ever see a shotgun that short? Is this legal? Well, this is Dragonman's. Everything is legal. Yahoo! Okay, here we go. We're going to cock it. Here like that. And take the safety off. Got to hold on tight. Holy moly! Wow, that's some kick. Pretty neat. It'll shoot 3 shots if I leave one in the chamber, but I don't like leaving one in the chamber. So, okay, we're going to reload that. The shells just push right in here like a regular shotgun. Okay, to own something like this, you have to put in for a special license, if you didn't know that. Everything we do here is 100% legal, so don't let it fool you. Okay, we're gonna pull this out. Okay, we're ready to go into town. I hope nobody cuts me off. Okay guys, well that's it for today. It's going to be another beautiful weekend out here. Come on out and use my shooting range. And if you want to see the military museum, it's Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 10 o'clock. No reservations needed, $20 cash, and you'll be very impressed. Most people say it's one of the best in the country. And come find out for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Okay guys, I'm going for a cruise, get some buttermilk pancakes. You guys have a great day. Come out and visit me.